In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the procedure entry point BCryptHash could not be located. So we have a few solutions for you. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are going to suggest you to check if there are any updates on your Windows. So in your Windows search, just type in update and you'll be able to see the settings. Just click on it. From here, you'll be able to see the check for updates. Just click on it, and if there are any updates, just let it install. If it prompts you to restart your PC, just restart your PC. And check if that solves your issue. If not, we could go to our next solution, which is to temporarily disable our antivirus software. So if you're using a third party application as your antivirus, you might have to disable it for now and to check if it's the cause for your issue. So you go ahead and check with your support for that software on how to disable your antivirus. But if you're worried that you're not protected, don't worry. We still have Windows Defender. So when we actually go to Windows search and just type Windows security, go here and go to virus and threat protection. As you can see, we have the virus and threat protection option here. Just go to virus and threat protection settings and just click on manage settings and make sure that real-time protection is enabled on your PC, and you should be protected from major threats or viruses you found online or maybe transmitted on your PC. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.